My name's Bill Beard. I run the firm called W.Beard Plant Hire with my wife. We started it off in 1979 when I bought a 3C Mark II, a 1972 machine, which I paid £5,000 for and ran for a very long time. The next machine was a 1980 3C Mark III, which I kept for quite a long time as well. In 1986, a 3CX, which towards the end of that life I put a pole planter on and came on hire to the electricity company. I kept that until 1996 when I bought a brand new 4CX. I kept that for 12 years, again with the pole planter on. And then in 2008, another 4CX, a new one. Kept that for 4 years, and I've got a 1-year-old at the moment 4CX, which is a brilliant machine. It's got the 6-speed box, which I like. It makes it more economical, a lot better on the road, and generally a very good machine. The Strymec pole planter that's on the front of the digger, the JCB dealer supplies them and services them. The frame on the top is for carrying a pole along the road, and it's basically a grab which you pick a pole up and it will rotate it just over 90 degrees, and then you can plonk it down the hole, and then we fill a bit in by hand till it'll hold up on its own, and then turn around and backfill the hole. JCBs are the sort of best machine there are about for this job. They're comfortable, they're fast, they're quiet in the cab. The residual value of them, I think, is 20 to 30% better than any other machine. And the service is second to none, and they're as good as it gets. I've always bought JCBs. I learnt to drive a JCB when I was 16, a really old one, that was a long time ago. But I do feel a good affinity with JCB. They've always been good to me, and I like to think I've been a good ambassador for them as well.